Alright guys, you are welcome once more again to Mama Exam Prep Up, where you learn all problems on maths and topic by topic. You can go to any of the topics, look at the questions that have been solved and try to solve them and go through them. You can also scan problems on Jamb, past questions, and if you can find it on our channel through your Google search, you see it there. Just scan any question. Alright, but for today we are going to solve a question on calculus that says find the derivative of y in brackets 1/3 x plus 6 raised to the power 2. So when you hear the word derivative, what does that mean? Derivative means, yes, you are going to find what the y over the x. But we have three rules. We have the product rule, we have the quotient rule, but this is what? Chain rule. We call it chain rule or what? Composite rule. Or you can also call it power rule. There's a power here. So how do you solve a problem on chain rule? First of all, you want to make y equals to u, and we say u square. If I say y is equals to u square, it means u is what? 1/3 x plus 6. Now for this part and this part, we are going to apply what? The general formula. For this part, I can do dy over what? Du. And for this part, we can do du over what? Dx. We have u and x, so du over dx. We have y and u, so we can do dy over du. Now, applying the general formula here, of course, we know we are going to minus 1 here, and this 2 drops down to multiply. So this gives us dy over du. Now, for this part, there's a power here, 1, okay? Here I have x raised to the power 0. So 1 comes down to multiply 1/3. So I have 1/3 times 1. And x raised to the power 1 minus 1. Okay. Now for this part, 0 comes down to multiply the 6. And we have x raised to the power 0 minus 1. Okay. So from this, we can now further simplify. Alright, so if we simplify this further, this part becomes dy over du, which is equals to 2. Of course, what's my u? My u is this. So 1/3 x plus 6. 2 minus 1 here is 1. What about our du over what? Dx. If we simplify this, 1/3 times 1 is 1/3. X raised to the power what? 0. Of course, plus 6 times 0 times x raised to the power this. So since 0 is multiplying all this is 0. Alright, so having gotten those two, finally we are going to finish it up. So this becomes what? This gives us 1/3 times 1 plus what? This is 0. So which is what? 1/3. Now I've gotten this as this. I've gotten this as this. So our dy over dx would be, of course, I can say this is dy over du multiplied by what? Du over dx. Remember, if this cancels out, we'll get our dy over dx. So we already have this as this, so it's going to be 2 multiply 1/3 x plus 6 in bracket raised to the power 1. We may not put it, times what we have here, because this is du over dx times 1/3. So this will give us this times this. Okay, so 2 times 1/3 into what? 1/3 x plus 6. So that will finally lead to what? That will finally give us dy over dx as equals to what? 2 over 3 into 1/3 x plus 6. So this gives us our final answer to this problem. Alright, if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, share to your friends, your loved ones, and students. Thank you for watching.